Good morning, everybody. I am M.A. Mannan, head teacher at Malika Khatun Girls High School, Agolchhara, Borishal. Now, today I shall discuss about English first paper, prose. My today's lesson is the story of Lipi. Lesson 4, Unit 4, page 50. Everybody is requested to see the page 50 and please open the page at 50. Now I am reading. This is called model reading. My students requested to open the page 50 and now I am reading. Please listen to me what I say to you. In the next class, Mrs. Choudhury tells her students the story of Lipi. The year before last, Lipi, a 14-year-old girl, was in class 9 in a rural school in Rangpur. Lipi is the eldest of 5 children, 3 daughters and 2 sons. Their father is a day laborer working on other people's land and mother is a homemaker and a part-time worker at other people's homes. The parents, particularly the mother, found it real difficult to raise 5 children on the small income the father could earn. Perhaps that is why Lipi's father wanted to marry her off. But Lipi was not ready to accept what her parents wanted to impose on her. She wanted to pursue her education. Her mother stood by her, though secretly. When her father arranged her marriage with Tharamia, the only son of a father in the same village, she became greatly upset. Tharamia was a widower, illiterate but well off. His father had a few acres of arable land and was influential in the village. The marriage seemed to be inevitable. My students, I have read before some time. By this time, the today's lesson, the story of Lipi. Please look at the board. Please look at the board and at my chart. What I am. Allah should help Karandi. Help Karandi. To look at my chart. Now I am telling you about the meaning of the word, about the meaning of the Bengali. My chart are divided into 4 parts. First number, word and Bengali meaning, Shabda এবং বাংলা অর্থ. Second part, English meaning. Third, synonyms. Fourth is anonym. Please look at the word. What I say to you, the Bengali meaning, rural, gramin, homemaker, গৃহিণী, particularly, বিশেষ করে, raise, পালন করা, accept, গ্রহণ করা, impose, চাপিয়ে দেওয়া, pursue, চালিয়ে যাওয়া, secretly, গোপনে, arrange, আয়োজন করা, upset, মর্মাহত, illiterate, অশিক্ষিত, arable, চার্জযোগ্য, influential, প্রভাবশালী, seemed, মনে হওয়া, inevitable, অনিবার্য. English meaning, rural, living in or characteristic of farming or country life. Homemaker, a person who manages the household of his or her own family, especially as a principal occupants, particularly, especially, these distinguished from others, raise, look after, take care, accept, receive, content to receive or undertake, impose, make some want to do something in a forceful or harmful way, pursue, carry out of or particular in a activity, arrange, organize or make plans for a future event, upset, unhappy, disappointed or illiterate, unable to read or write, not educated, not literate. Arable, capable of growing crops. suitable for farming, influential, having great influence or someone or something, same, give the impression of being something or having a particular quality, inevitable, certain to happen. This means I have discussed you about the Bengali meaning and its English meaning. Now I am telling you about the synonym, that means vocabulary or list of words. Rustic, pastoral, housewife, homemaker, housewife, particularly, especially, there is something difference between spelling, especially, nature, being up, admit, compel, run, continue, clandestinely, furtively, organize, speaks, sad, dismay, uneducated, ignorant, plowable, cultivable, fit for, cultivable, powerful, authorized, authoritative, dominant, affair, look, unavoidable, increase, inescapable, antonym, urban, normally, generally, deny, stop, openly, publicly, cancel, happy, literate or educated, unimportant or inefficient or ineffectual, uncertain, avoidable. This is the meaning. I have told you about this is the meaning of the Bengali, and this English meaning, this synonym, this antonym. I have discussed it about to you. Now understand. But my question, my students are requested to please attention to me. Do you understand my teaching? What I have discussed to you about before some time? Please, if everybody do not understand my teaching, please, you are almost requested to me. If you are not clear to me, I will try my level best to clear to you. Now I have changed the board. Now I have changed my chart, and requested to write down the meaning of the English word, and you are requested to write down the meaning of the English word and this English meaning. And this English meaning. You are also requested to know the synonyms. You are also requested to know the synonyms. Now I am wipe out the board. My questions. I have read the textbook before some time, and you are also requested to read the book at your home for tomorrow class. And I am teaching you for your help in order to perfect, in order to make the class, make the perfect, not perfectly, perfect. And now I am writing some important word again. S for rural, secret, rural, village, difficult, merry, you are requested to read the textbook at your home, at your best, because if you read again and again, you would be able to know the meaning of the word, and how to read the book, you know it very well. I have told before some time to clear the concept. If everybody do not understand my lesson, please tell me in the coming class. Now I giving you a home task. Libby was in the age of dash. Her father was a dash. Her mother was a dash. She was a dash. Her parents were very dash. I have concluded my class, thanking everybody, those who are close to me and those who are far away from me. Everybody are requested to have my greetings, and now I have finished my class. I will meet tomorrow class. Thank you everybody. Assalamu alaikum.